the apartments and everything to play right back in the days actually. So I was even surprised when he said he was interested in my sister and all that. On a normal day, you know, guys, brothers wouldn't accept that, but I was cool with him because I know the kind of person he is. Yeah. So.
My name is Muhammad Amina Koki. Today is 27th July, which is the wedding dinner, and I'm getting married to Dr. Abdullah Zakaria. Well, I'm scared and I'm happy, and I don't know, the feeling is just all together. He's quiet.
Abdul is one of my closest friends. I've known him for over 17 years. Well, I don't have to say much because all I can say is Amira is really lucky to have Abdul as a husband. I need not to tell him to take care of her because I know he would. He is a very nice person, very gentle, very calm, very hardworking. So all I can say is I wish them a very happy married life, and I should say once again, Amira is really, not because he's my friend, but she is really, really lucky to have Dr. Abdul as
They must be patient with each other and make sure that they don't allow any third party to come in, no matter the differences. That is the secret of marriage. There will be ups and downs, definitely, but how they manage within themselves without inviting third party, no matter what, is the success behind marriage. I wish
I wish her the best married life ever. I'm actually going to live in her house. I'm going to come for sleepovers anytime I come to Kano. And then I hope her husband treats her better. I know he will, but then I know she will treat him better also, because she should be happy he got my sister. Because I mean, it's not only my cousin, she's also my sister. He should be happy he got my sister as his wife. Bye-bye.
I wish her a very happy married life once again, and good luck as she progresses in her life.
I wish her all the best in life. I wish her a very happy married life, full of blessings and happiness and all the joy.
What I wish her in marriage is practically everything good that comes her way, because she deserves it. She's a good person and good things happen to good people. So I'm hoping for a lot of goodness in her life, inshallah.
Amira, I wish you all the best life may offer. I'm so happy to celebrate, to experience this new chapter of your life with you. I wish you all the best. I wish you long life, and I wish you success in your marriage, happy married life. Thank you.
I wish them a very prosperous marital life. Just like the Prophet ﷺ said, we have the Shaitan, we let him and his Sahabas. I want them to live a happy married life, maintain peace, be loving and be caring, then be faithful and be patient. Because the most important part of marriage is being very patient. I wish them a wonderful marital life. Thank you very much.
I wish them a very, very peaceful marriage and long time and prosperity in their marriage. Thank you very much.
And I only pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase the affection and mercy between both of them, because that is the only thing that makes a marriage works.
We will miss her in the house, definitely. But we are very happy that she's going to build her own house. Together with her husband, they will make a good house.
जो ऐसे मुस्कुराया हूँ, तुम्हें देखा तो जाना ये कि क्यों दुनिया में आया हूँ।